Hello, my name is Rebecca from Amach Community Garden in Buncrana, County Donegal in Ireland, and today I want to show you how to grow strawberries. So, the first thing we'll need to grow strawberries is some strawberry plants. So these are some strawberry plants that I bought at the garden centre, and I got 3, so that should fill 1 pot. And today we're going to plant them. Oh, today I have a helper, and this is David Lemmy. Say hello, David Lemmy.
Hello,
Hello, David Lemmy. And he's going to help me today. We're going to plant our strawberries into a hanging basket. So first thing we'll do is we'll move this chain out of the way. And then
we're going to put seeds in this.
Yeah, we're going to put the soil in there. So we're going to put the compost into the hanging basket. So will you help me?
Yeah.
So we'll get a big lump of compost and put that in.
Where's my shovel?
Do you want to have this one?
Yeah.
Okay, and Mommy will use her hands. That's it. Here, I'll help you. Okay, we don't want any lumps in it. So when I was really small, the same age as David Lemmy, I had a little strawberry patch in my garden, and I used to grow strawberries in the garden. And there's nothing nicer on a lovely summer's day to just go out and be able to pick your own strawberries and bring them in, if they get in, and have a lovely homegrown dessert. So putting them in the hanging basket means that they're up out of the way of lovely slugs who love to eat the strawberries. So you're saving yourself from a few pests in a nice organic and safe way. So we're filling up this hanging basket pretty much to the tippy top, aren't we, Lemmy?
Okay.
Yeah? All the way up, just a bit more. Oh,
Mommy,
yeah?
I can hold it like that.
You can actually, that'll be a really good thing to make holes for the strawberry in the hanging basket in a minute, okay? We'll just get a little bit more. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we're filling it right up. And again, making sure that there's no lumps in it. Last little bit. Excuse me, good boy. That's awesome, well done. Now, maybe you can use your tool now to make us some nice holes in here. So here we have our hanging basket filled up. So we're going to use this to make 3 holes in here. Would you make some holes with this one? Can you make 3 holes? So do 1 here. Right down, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Do another one here. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And another one here. I do it? You're going to do stupid. Okay, so we'll do another one here. Okay. And then we'll very carefully take these out of their containers. Now, if you have, at the bottom of the container, there'll be some holes. If you push those holes up, you can use like a pencil or something. It's really important that you don't destroy the roots of these little guys. The roots is the most important. And you just edge them out. See if they'll just pop out. There we go. And actually, if you pull them by the leaves, because the leaves are the least sensitive. So there's one out. There we go. And we want to take all of the soil, and you just put that in that hole that Lemmy made, and pack the soil nicely around it. So there we have 1, and then we'll just remake that soil. Pop the next one out. So if you've got a pencil or something to just kind of push those holes through. And out comes the next one. And again, pull by the leaves. This one's not as easy to come out. We'll just give it a little bit more help. Just tease it out. Oh, thank you. You putting more soil in? That's great. Yeah, that's what they need. That's what the strawberries need. lots of soil and lots of sunshine, which we have lots of today. Lots of sunshine today. Oh, great job. Thank you. We'll put this next little guy in here. And finally, this guy. So we'll just tap him out. There we go. And we'll put him in. Pack the soil. Now, here's some. Okay, put it this side. There we go. Now, will you press the soil down around them nice and gently?
They would sting me.
No, they don't sting you. They look a little bit stingy, but they're not stingy. Do you want to feel them? Want to feel one? It's not stingy. See? It's nice. So, there we go. There we have our 3 strawberries. And you can keep this for planting more seeds whenever you're doing your next planting. So there we go. Oh, we forgot. What else do strawberries need? Soil and sunshine and water. So we'll do a
Here's
little bit of
some
water.
soil.
Will you do the watering? Oh, that's enough soil now. Will you do some watering? Here you go. I lift it down for you. There you go. Just pour it in. That's it, all the way around. There we go. And that's it. And we just hang it up.
I need some more soil.
And there you are. You have your strawberries ready to go. Enjoy. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.